Hey, what's up guys? So I decided that I liked vlogging and it turned out better than I thought, so I'm gonna continue vlogging. You might be asking, Sebastian, why are you wearing a Hawaiian shirt? It's not summer. It's cloudy outside. To that, I would respond, who cares?
That's my dad. Oh, out of focus. That's my dad. My mom's sitting next to me, but she doesn't want to appear in the vlog because she didn't put any makeup on. That's Anai. I just wanted to say a big thank you because I just hit 500k. No, 500 followers on Chapela Films, my photography Instagram. Go check it out. Link will be in the bio and at the end of this. 2 weeks ago I was at 200. So thanks to all of you that have shown me support, and I hope to grow this YouTube channel the same.
I dislike you
Patrick,
so much.
say hi to the vlog.
I hate you so much, Sebastian.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Hey, thanks, bro.
That's Itai. So I'm vlogging Itai.
Oh,
The vlog life.
if no one saw us do a front flip, do we actually do a front flip?
That's the question. Said hi to the vlog. Oh, Emma, I thought you weren't coming.
No, I am. Yeah.
That's Emma.
Hi.
And that's
Hi, I'm Celine.
Celine.
Hey, Celine. Hey, welcome to my house.
Alright, we're going upstairs because Sebastian forgot his camera downstairs.
Follow me. Lead you the way. So this is the way to the grill. I don't know if you know. These are the steps. Just kidding, I hate myself.
Alright, watch me drop this really bad. Oh my god.
That looks like such a nice camera.
Where's Chapela?
$2,000 camera.
Saw dude. Are you filming?
Yeah.
It's probably out of focus as shit. It's the most high quality video of you getting bored. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we out here.
Shut up. Go.
The sun's coming out. Yeah, we're going to go.
There.
You blonde.
Yeah, I'm not.
Emma's our new vlogger. She's joining the vlogging team.
Emma's more of an intern.
I'll be an apprentice.
She's like a cameraman now. We're going to go play some volleyball.
Volleyball is life.
And me and Emma are gonna smash everyone else.
This thing's heavy. Do you want to take it back? No, I want to keep it.
Here, Emma here has to lift more so that she can vlog properly.
That tickles.
I want to use one.
I've never.
Dude, can we actually go in those things? Dude, Chap, can we go in those?
I mean, sure? Think so? Yeah.
Dude, I want to go in those.
It's like a kid's party or something.
Damn it.
That kid over there is stuck.
Ooh. Dude, wait. Oh yeah, I found it.
What?
The volleyball court. Dude, this place is hella nice.
Yeah, I know. You want some cheese?
Okay.
I'm lactose intolerant.
Are you actually?
Yeah, I mean, I just ate a club sandwich with a lot of cheese. So if I lose, it's because I ate cheese.
Well, if we lose, that's because I'm also injured.
Don't
So.
hate me because you ate me.
Got him.
You have to surf from behind the line. Yeah, hit me up. Oh wow!
nuts.
No, God! Oh. No,
That's not a lift. Oh, I thought bullshit.
The comeback is real. Go, Sebastian, you go.
Hey, each time. So who won?
We did.
No, that's not true.
What?
They lost.
Wait, I think we have 13. MVP of the team right here.
Are you filming, Chapela? I'm filming you specifically.
0-0. 1-0.
Happy birthday to you.
It'll be on YouTube.
Yay!
More.
Okay. Oh, right. I'll go here.
Sebastian,
Yeah.
so what are we doing now?
We are going back.
Going back to the crib. This is Crib Boss. Welcome to my crib. Hey, what's up guys? I'm biking right now to Sebastian's house. I took 1 hour nap. That's fucking amazing. I was about to transition just back to Sebastian's house. Yeah, let's just do that. So what are we doing?
We're getting fucked.
Get the concoction going. We out here in the streets, gang.
It's delightful.
We're going to go meet up with Brandon. We're gonna finish taking the smoke pictures. I brought the smoke bomb right here, and we might just go back to my house and chill there. Okay, so we met the super chill dude.
What's up? What's up?
He's also a YouTuber,
yeah,
vlogger,
yeah.
Instagrammer, and he's super chill.
Yeah.
So we're going to go take the smoke bomb pics
Let's do it.
with him.
Shout out his channel.
Yo.
Yeah, I'll link his channel in the bio.
Right on, man. Thank you. Hey, next vlog, we gotta hang out when I'm vlogging, so so I can show you out too. But yeah, man.
Yeah,
Good
sounds
to
cool.
meet you guys.
It's Mission Impossible! Oh!
Do we have like?
I know this guy.
Alright, fuck.
He used to play in Palo Alto Soccer Club.
I feel sorry for the people behind us.
He was a Mexican, right? Yeah.
Update, it's 1 AM. My house is flooding, we don't know why. The fireman just came in and to see what the fuck's going on. So there was water from here all the way up to the fire truck. So this is my house. The water came all the way over here. That's how much it was flooded. So I guess I'll end the vlog here.